Hey guys, Adrian here on the behalf of TechSocial.com, and you can see here what I'm taking a look at right now is an app called TapTapSee, and you may have heard that. It's an app for blind and visually impaired users, and it's a camera that allows you to identify everyday objects in VoiceOver. It uses the feature built into iOS, the VoiceOver feature, to help you identify objects in everyday life. So TapTapSee is a lightweight application designed, again, for the blind community and the word visually impaired, and it identifies these objects by using this basic interface. Really simple interface. Obviously, just a camera. That's it, as you can see here. And they have a repeat button and a information button. Now, it's really basic in its use, obviously, because this is for people who may have, trouble of sight and, may not be able to see the screen that well, or are altogether blind. Now, it uses in conjunction with the accessibility feature. So if your voiceover feature is not turned on, you go into your general settings, accessibility, turn on voiceover, and I'm going to go ahead and unlock the phone here.
Slide to unlock. Slide to unlock.
Unlock here. You can hear.
Take picture. Button.
So you can hear the voiceover is narrating everything, and it's narrating what to do exactly. So let's take an example. Let's take a picture of this magic mouse and see if it identifies it correctly. So
take picture. Button.
I'm going to double tap. It takes a picture. Now I can hit the repeat button in the top left.
Repeat button. Repeat button. Picture 2 is Apple mouse.
And you can hear there, I don't know if you heard that correctly, but it said that it's at the Apple mouse. So I'll double tap it again.
Repeating. Picture 2 is Apple mouse.
And you can hear there, it told me what picture 2 was. It told me that was Apple mouse. And I can actually scroll through that using the gestures. Gestures are built into the voiceover feature so that you can go through and you can listen to what the pictures were. So you can repeat through and see what stuff are. And for the most part, it's actually identified a couple of cool objects here. So for example, even the Apple keyboard earlier it got. Let me test this one more time.
Take picture. Button.
And I'll double tap the repeat button again so we can hear it.
Repeat button. Say the last picture again. Picture 3 is keyboard.
So you can hear that. It says picture 3 is keyboard. And I can, again, sift through the pictures using gestures and tell me what each is. Now, again, it's always on. The camera's always on. What's great is it automatically turns on the camera flash in low light conditions, so users don't need to. It displays a message if voiceover is turned off, so you do know to turn on voiceover so you can hear it. Obviously, again, if you are visually impaired and or blind, this is a really, really awesome app. It's a new app. It's free. It's a really, really awesome utility. Super clean UI and works really great with that accessibility voiceover feature. And for the most part, it's identified really key objects here, like my keyboard, like my mouse. Really, stuff that this can be very useful with whatever, whether it's grocery list, stuff, whether it's objects from every day, from the kitchen to the office to whatever. This can be a really great tool for people who are visually impaired and or blind. Do check it out again. TapTapSee, blind and visually impaired camera in the App Store today.